Hello, Sir Manny. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to work with you. You're the greatest mentor I've ever met and worked with. It's really a blessing to be a part of Polo Geneva. And we know that you have a greater blessing there at ILO. And also ILO is blessed to have you. And for Mom Pinky, thank you very much for the warm welcome when I was still new in Geneva. Thank you for the winter clothes. And for sure, we will still meet again in Bangkok or elsewhere. And here's Mang Dedeng.
Sir, it's sad to note and say, kami iiwan nyo na. Wala po akong ibig pang ipahawatig sa inyo, kundi ang taos puso ko pong pasasalamat, lalong-lalo na po pag ako po humingi ng tulong sa inyo. Kaya po ang akin nung masasabi, more power to you and God bless you.
Okay. Sir at Ma'am Pinky, meron kaming song para sa inyo. Ito yung favorite ni Sir Manny na kanta by Bruno Mars. O, di ba? Okay, so, Mang Dedeng, start.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah! Bye, sir! Bye, Mom!
Bye-bye!